I want to talk to you about funding your kingdom. Okay, we've been going over some vital lessons on how to establish your kingdom, how to protect it, how to create activity income, passive income, okay, acquiring tools for your kingdom. Now we're going to start stepping into actually funding your kingdom using the velocity banking concept to your advantage, even after we're completely debt free. So by no means is velocity banking just for paying off debt. In fact, velocity banking's primary use is to actually make money and invest money. Okay, that's what the real estate investors and business owners are doing with their funds when they're doing velocity banking, and some clients that I work with. That's what they're really doing it for. So, what I've tried to do to reach a lot of people is help everyone that are in that debt trap right now, and using velocity banking to expedite that process so that we can join everyone else that's establishing their kingdom authority in life here on earth and getting the results that they want in life. Okay, so I want to give you an example on how I personally fund my own kingdom, so I have the ability to be a cheerful giver and help people and build my business and have cash flow, have great credit, and feel very protected and secure in the things that I'm doing, so I can fulfill my purpose and have less worry, less stress. Okay, so here's an example here, and this is in comparison to the previous video that we did about the credit card offer. Okay, same offer. I have a $9,000 credit card, okay, that's 0% till January 2020. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to increase the line of credit so that I can make a move, because I saw, right, I'm looking at my 4 major numbers, I'm looking at my financials every single day, and I'm observing, okay, where is my money actually going, and how can I save? How can I, reuse that money, leverage it, make more of it? Okay, so what I saw was, I said, okay, if I increase my credit line to 15,000, in addition to my 4,900 4,100 that I'm extracting out of my credit card, I can do an additional $6,500 extract. Okay, there's going to be a 3% cost, which would be $195. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to chunk at my life insurance asset. Okay, my life insurance policy. My monthly contribution is $529 a month. Okay, in this monthly contribution, there is a 6% cost of just having the policy, right? So this is typical amongst all insurance carriers, whether we're talking life insurance, auto, home, okay, anything insurance related. When you pay by the month, you pay more than the guy or girl that pays their bill by the year and actually saves money. You could save anywhere from 20 to 30% in certain cases. Okay, so for this scenario right here, okay, if I do this from a credit card, I take $6,500 using none of my own money, leveraging the bank's money with their offer at 0% with a 3% cost of $195, and I pay my policy for the year. This $529 monthly contribution gets satisfied. So what that means is my cash flow goes up every month thereafter for the next 11 months until my next funding period, right? The next year. Okay? So instead of having an annual $63.48, okay, that I'm putting into the policy, I'm actually going to save 6%, which is somewhere around $348. Okay? 6% or so, it might be like 5% in reality. But I know in fact that 348 is actually the number that I'm saving, that 348. So if I'm saving it, now that money is actually going to be going into the cash value of the policy. So if I just eliminated the cost of having the life insurance policy by paying it monthly, and I said I'm going to switch it to an annual contribution, I save a percentage amount, $348. So now more of my $6,500 is going to go to work for me, where I'm going to earn 6% on the cash value. Okay? So I'm going to earn 6% on my cash value in the policy. My cash flow goes up $529 each and every month. Where do you think the $529 is going? To the credit card, right? Because I'm gonna pay off the credit card before January 2020, before that interest rate expires, so that I don't have any additional costs outside of that $195. Okay? So let me ask you a question. If I do this, do I offset the cost of borrowing that $195? That's a clear yes right there. But in addition to that $348 savings, I'm also going to be earning 6% on my annual contribution into the policy. So that's an additional few $100, okay? And that 6%, okay, is tax-free. I can use the money like a line of credit at any time, right, to fund real estate transaction, real estate investments, get a rental, okay? And at the same time, my kingdom is protected because it came with a death benefit that I don't have to pay top dollar for. In fact, I design it properly where we minimize on death benefit, maximize on cash value, so that as the cash value is growing, so does the death benefit. And I don't have any additional premium costs. My premiums stay level all throughout the years, even though my death benefit is rising, right? So that's one way of funding your personal kingdom so that you can protect yourself, so that you can have a tax-free asset, so that you can continue to leverage other people's money, and you have the ability to leverage your own bank. This is your kingdom is your bank. You're leveraging it so that you can do more, help more, build a business, sustainability, bettering the planet, the environment, the animals, everything all around this. This becomes your lifestyle, establishing your kingdom. That's what this series is all about. Building the kingdom, protecting the kingdom, growing the kingdom, making money, helping people, establishing other kingdoms in your name, with your concepts, with your teachings, right? What can you take from my kingdom to apply into your kingdom? So now so let's say you're in health, right? You're a health coach, okay? And you take everything that I give you into your kingdom. Now your kingdom is that much more valuable than mine, because I don't do health, right? But you do. So now you've got health and finance in your kingdom, and you go promote that to your audience. And then your audience, you have a client that does technology, right? So now they could add health, finance, technology in their kingdom, and they help more people. Oh my. I think I'm getting somewhere. I think I'm onto something. Let me know in the comments below. I hope this is valuable to you. If you have any questions at all, I have a ton of resources in the description below. Okay, read everything through. I've got a lot of different resources that you can check out. If you want to work with me one-on-one and establish your kingdom, we can do this together. Okay, become part of my lifetime program, my Velocity Banking Intensive, where I take you from A to Z. Okay, paying off debt, creating wealth, establishing a kingdom, building the kingdom, becoming a chill forgiver. Okay, have a wonderful day and God bless.